Did you enjoy Choose Your Own Adventure stories as much as I did when you were a kid? Recently, I have been playing with building a similar style story in YouTube. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome to Similware, where we save your time to educate your teams. My name is Gene, and I'm a business manager and certified simulation educator. I just began this YouTube channel, and one of the things I really wanted to do was look at different ways to start a conversation. With end screens and cards replacing annotations in 2017, it really became easy to set these up. The first thing I did was pick a topic and research keywords to decide on my title. Next, I searched for clips I thought my viewers would find entertaining. If you have more talent than me, this is a perfect opportunity to shoot your own scenes. Next, I scripted out the ideas that I had for how people would move through this Choose Your Own Adventure story. From there, I started editing each of the individual clips that I wanted to use in iMovie. My end screens are 15 seconds long, which allows for a short period of time for these decisions to be made. Since you want watch time to be as good as you can, I am currently trying to have videos that are 20 seconds plus the additional 15 for a total of 35 minimum. You have to have at least 25 seconds to have an end screen. The last image in the video is where the choices will be made, so it needs to be the same length as you plan to put the end screen. For me, that's 15 seconds. End screens also give us an opportunity to ask for subscriptions. Speaking of which, if you're enjoying this video, subscribe below. Make a comment. Tell me what you want to hear about more in the future, and then maybe give us a thumbs up if you really like it. Next, we need to upload our videos. I uploaded all of mine to be private initially. Next, I set up the end screens for each video. I also went ahead and made the first video available for viewing while keeping the rest hidden. If you do decide to make all of them available, it's important to make sure that you put in a pinned comment that lets people know where this journey began. I hope you enjoyed this quick how-to on making Choose Your Own Adventure style YouTube stories. Be sure to come back next week.